This video presents how to perform the initial setup in Dynaway EAM. The initial setup will be automatically run after installation, but if you decide not to do it right after the installation, you can run it from the Extension Management, Assisted Setup or Dynaway Assisted Setup. Select 3 dots on the Dynaway EAM extension line and select Setup. You will see a message. Do you want to run the initial setup? Select Yes, the setup will be opened. On the first page, you can see 3 sections. Welcome to Dynaway EAM with a link to the documentation, a setup walkthrough with a link to this very video you're watching, and a license section, which allows you to register a free license, download a license or upload license directly from a file. If you've chosen Register for a free license option, you will have to provide the company name, contact person, and contact email. Tenant ID and environment name will be filled automatically. Then select the Register for Free License button. If you've already purchased a license for Dynaway EAM, you should select Download License and choose how you purchased it. Then select OK. If everything is correct, the license will automatically be downloaded to your Business Central. If you received a license file from Dynaway or your Business Central partner, choose the Upload License File option and upload the file from your computer. On the second page are basic setups, which allow you to prepare Dynaway EAM to work. Every setup has a dedicated guide and a video which will help you complete them. Completing those 2 setups is necessary and at the same time sufficient to be able to create maintenance work orders. On the next page you can find setups for more advanced functionalities of Dynaway EAM. Some functionalities such as asset warranty require to be included in the license to use them, but you can anyway prepare the setup for them if you want to use it in the future. On the next page, you will find migration setups. You can download Excel templates to import data such as assets or work order plans into your Dynaway EAM. On the final page, you will find 3 links. The first one will lead you to Dynaway Help, which contains documentation about our Business Central products. The second one will take you to a video library with in-depth webinars about different sections of EAM. The last one will take you to our newsletter, so you will stay updated with everything that we are doing.